In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then scroll down again and tap on App Lock. Following that, you need to create your password that you will use to lock your apps. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. And click on gray switches next to your apps that you wish to lock. So when I go back and try to access one of those apps, I can see that PIN is now required. In order to disable app lock from any locked app, go into the same settings and enter your PIN. Then tap on the no blue switches next to your apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!